Hello. Today in this video I will show you how to download and install Winrar software. So let's begin. First, check whether your computer is 32-bit or 64-bit. Open this PC to check. And click System Properties. You can see my computer is 64-bit. Open Chrome and type Winrar download and search. Then go to official Winrar website. You can see option 32-bit and option 64-bit. So this is 64-bit automatically recommended, then click the download button. Click the download button again. Then you will see it is downloading. Wait for the download to finish. Then go to Download folder. Then double-click on it. And it will ask for admin permission, so you will give yes. And follow my steps. You will see that it works perfectly.
Nice.
I will show you how to higly compress a file using Winrar in another video, so stay tuned. I hope you understand the process. Thanks for watching.